Hi friends, who want to be get rich and successful? By hearing this question, almost everybody will raise their hands. But if I ask you, anybody have their written action with them? What they will do, what action they will be taking in order to get rich and successful? Now I can tell you only 1% or 2% of the people might have that thing with them. Trust me guys, it is already proven कि the person who has written action plan with them, they get successful 10x time with the people who don't have that action plan with them in written form. So today we are going to discuss about a topic, how to develop a routine and how to be get successful in our life. So let's begin. If I want to tell you कि what things are essential to get rich and to get successful, many of them will tell you कि yes, attitude is needed, skill is needed, knowledge is needed and motivation is needed. But trust me guys, motivation is temporary. Yes my friends, motivation is temporary. Suppose you want to develop a very good physique of yours and you saw some of the gym videos and you get fully charged कि yes, from today onwards I'll be doing this couple of things in order to get back in my shape. So you will be doing that thing for 2 days, 3 days or 1 week or maximum 1 month time. But some or the other time you lack motivation. Yes my friends, in order to stick to your action, you have to develop that routine in you. Yes my friends, you have to develop that routine in you, because once you develop that routine in yourself, then you don't need any kind of motivation to do that work. Yes my friends, I want to give you one example. Suppose if you want to go gym in early morning, you have to make everything ready in the night only. All your clothes, your shoes, your water bottles, everything you should keep near your bed. So once you get up in the morning, it is very much easy to just lift that bag and you can just move to gym as soon as possible. Because when you wake up in the morning and you keep on searching for all the things, it will waste your time, it will waste your energy, and for doing all that thing you will be needed lot of motivation. So my dear friends, I believe this example will be helpful. I want to share you second example. Suppose you want to develop a habit of reading. You have never read any book, okay, but now you want to develop that habit of reading. What you have to do? You have to keep that book near your bed or the place which is very much near to you or visible to you, because when you have that thing in yourself, then it is very much easy to implement. Suppose when you keep that book in your cupboard or some or the other places, you need that motivation to get up from your place and to take that book and start reading. But when you have that book near to your place, you don't need any kind of motivation. Then it will develop a routine in yourself and you can able to take that action again and again. Then it will turn into a habit and that habit turns into your behavior. In this way you will able to do that one thing again and again for couple of times. So my dear friends, I like to conclude over here. If you want to grow, if you want to get succeed, then first you have to develop a routine. Yes my friends, the routine is a very important thing, because if you don't have any kind of routine, you will be get easily distracted, and if you are fully dependent on motivation from the external source, then trust me guys, you will not able to accomplish that thing. So I like to request all of my friends to develop that routine and take one step at one time. Take a very tiny step in order to just implement that. And trust me guys, when you do that thing for at least 1 week, you will able to see the drastic change. And following a habit, following a routine, it is a long term process. You won't able to see that result on immediate basis, but that result will be impactful when you do that thing on consistent basis. So my dear friends, I like to conclude over here, and I strongly believe this content will be helpful and it will bring value to you. If you have any kind of feedback, if you have any kind of comments, do let me know. Your feedbacks and comments will help me to improve. It will help me to grow. All the very best to the winners. Stay blessed, stay happy.